Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessing TV Natural Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create my lace frontal using my sewing machine. So, if today is your first time watching my video, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. Doing so, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscriber. May God bless you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, this is the lace I'm going to be using. As you can see, I just marked the center, and that is the weave on that I created the other time. So don't use the wrong side, use the right side. So you will place your weave on the lace just like this. Wash closely so that you can get what I'm explaining. So you will just place your weave on like that in a corner, depending how you want your lace front to wide. So just like this, you just turn it like a triangle. You just turn it around and continue sewing. Just continue sewing it. I'm sorry for that, guys. Just continue sewing it just this way you are seeing. So I have sewed it around. I just want to add a little because mine did not end, so I want it to end. I will just add a little of the weave on, then I cut. But if you don't want to cut it, you can still use it and turn it just like that. I don't know if you get me. So see, did you get me now? So now I will be using the wrong side on the center part that I marked down. I will just use the wrong side on the center part that I marked down. So what I will do, I will sew the center part this way. Also go to the other side and do the same thing. As you can see, I sew it wrong side. This is the right side of the center part. This is the right side. So I will just turn the weave on to the right side, and I will place the other one wrong side of it and sew. I hope I explained well. Please, if you can't get my explanation, please watch closely. I also use my hand to show the sign of what I'm doing. Then, when I'm done sewing, I will bring them out, cut the excess thread. As you can see, this is my part. I'm separating the both of them. This is my part now. So the next one, I will still push my weave on to the wrong side. Now I will place another weave on top of the wrong side. Then I will sew. I will do the same thing to the other side. I will just do the same thing to the other side. After doing that, we are done. Then I will just use my iron to straighten it and so that it can flat very well. As you can see, it's very flat. This is our part creating already. So guys, I will also be showing you how I fix this on my wig. As you can see, the part, it came out so beautiful. This is the back of it. As you can see, this is your part that you have created. this part is very easy to make and simple. So now I will be showing you guys how I will fix this on my wig. I will be using this wig cap because it holds more than the others. So first of all, I will just pin down my front part, my front lace that I make. I will pin it down just like this. I will just pin them down in a way that it will not be moving up and down. So now I will just use elastic band to hold it. I will take my needle and thread, then I will sew it round. Just continue sewing and sew it all round, and make sure you sew very well in a way that is not going to lose. Don't give the sewing too much of space. As you can see the way I'm doing, I have almost done sewing. So after sewing, I will just tie it very well. Tie the ending up, then cut off the excess thread. Our lace frontal is ready. So I just fix all the weave on at the back. I just fix the weave on at the back just like this. I believe we know how to fix weave on. If you did not, I have made it how to fix weave on my previous video, so check it out. And if you have not yet watched how I create this weave on that is so straight, shiny and beautiful, I will put the link on my description box. Please check it out. That is very easy. You can make this out of expression, which I did. I made this for a client. So if you want to learn more on weave on or wig, this channel is the best channel for you to watch, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Okay, because I will be bringing the latest wig and idea that probably you don't know that you can do yourself. Okay, so I really appreciate you all. God bless you all for watching to this time. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so, and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So, and help to share this video to friends and family, and help to share it also to your Facebook, and I will gladly appreciate that. And thank you. God bless you. Give this video a like if you like what you see. So this is our hair that we are created, guys. As you can see how it's so soft, bouncing and straight. See the front side. So I'm going to be transferring it into my other doll that is a little more bigger because of the face of this, so that don't have face. I will transfer it to this. I will just first of all cut the excess black wig out. Yes guys, our wig is here ready. As you can see guys, please tell me what you think about this hair and leave your comment on the comment section. Okay, so I just apply organ oil. Organ oil is very good for wig. It will help the wig to stay soft and straight. Okay, as you can see, there is no tangle at all. It's very straight, and this wig will last you for long time if you know how to maintain it. It will last you for years without spoiling, or without it did not even spoil at all. As you can see, thank you so much. Thank you very much, everyone that have watched my video, my old and new subscribers, my supporters. You guys, you are doing